Show it to the camera creeper what you're all impressed with here.
Start with this little bitsy minnow.
There you go.
She cute.
Nice. All right. Safety first, ladies and gents. Well, I need to lock it. Man, I'm just not thinking straight today.
Not thinking straight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm in a little yellow boat today. Isn't this exciting, guys? Alright, there's that. Me and my rods.
Cooper got a nice life jacket.
Yeah, he does. Remember when he used to do cool stuff like this with us?
Okay.
Oh, we can go ahead and take two down there, don't you think? Or do you not want to leave them down?
We'll drag
Yeah.
yeah. It's too wide.
But we can take them one at a time too. It don't matter.
This stuff with the Cooper.
Yeah.
Paddle.
Yeah. She still works pretty good though. All right, you ready?
Oh, this is heavy.
Yeah. Remember to watch for this. There's a big rock and then there's a curb. If you need to stop or anything, just say.
Let me scoot that over here, Kara.
Nice. Bring them right up here.
Good right here.
Yeah, it works.
We'll have to take off a couple at a time.
Yeah. I figure we'll be walking most of that anyway.
Yeah, we'll have to drag her away.
Oh, hold on. Your rod got caught. I'm glad I saw that. Let's just go one at a time. Won't kill ourselves early on. We'll move yours since she's heavy.
Is that out of the trailer now?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, sorry. We'll come back for that one. Y'all.
Let's get it. Who's first?
You want to lead them down? I'll bring up the rear. Probably be best for y'all in those boats. Just grab them by that stand assist strap. Just kind of walk them down from here because it's going to be too low to. You'll float and then you get out, and then you float, and then you get out, and then you float, you get out until we get to the creek. All right. Gotta put them in four wheel. Gotta be able to take her from there.
How's the water?
Not bad at all. Feels good to me. Man, this is a little boat. Go ahead, I'll pull through. I believe it. The journey begins. Well, we didn't get him on video. There's our first fish of the day, a little smallmouth. And he's about to jump away from me. Let's release him. Weird release. Nice. Well, that's number 2 right here. And James doubled with me. A little bit better fish. Pretty largemouth. James, what you got?
Yeah, hang on one
Did you finally catch him? Or his rod was jacking up on him? My rod's in the water. Nice. 2 for 1. Well, really 2 for 2. How many is that?
Number 5.
Number 5 for James. Cooper, how many you got?
0.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought you had one.
Nope.
Got some chasing it. They didn't want it. Both of mine were on the rooster tail. James is throwing a little bitty crankbait called a bitsy minnow or something. Something just stayed out in the middle. I think if I hit the right line, I could make it. But it'd be hard.
You won't be able to make it that little one, but I bet it would be sketch.
Oh yeah. I think I'm gonna send it. If I find the right foothold, I'll get back in.
If you send it, I might go.
Kaylin, move!
Move.
Careful, babe. That's not what you want to do right here. You do not want to do what I just did.
Yeah, you ain't supposed to be looking at me right now.
Nope. And you're definitely not supposed to be sideways to the current. Wow. He loaded up on that thing. Oh my gosh. That was awesome. Congratulations.
Oh my gosh.
What? Dude, really?
Yeah. Are you kidding me?
What happened? Right when I turn the camera off, I catch 2 fatty rock bass on 1 cast right over there by that tree root system. Hey, you want to take it for a second?
Is it videoing?
Yeah, it's videoing right now. Look at that. That is awesome right there. That's a freaking chunk too. Look at how thick he is. Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh. That's cool. All right, I'm gonna take these
smile,
dudes off.
and I'll take a picture.
What are you doing?
Just videoing you taking it off.
Dude, this girl is fat.
That's rude.
She's pregnant.
You shouldn't call pregnant people fat.
Well, she's heavy then. And again, ladies and gentlemen, on a little white rooster tail this time. And I didn't have the GoPro on. I think I'm learning a lesson. Keep the GoPro on.
Fruit of the spirit, Jake. Fruit of the spirit.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, what a bite. I hope you could see that on camera, because that was cool.
Dude, I called it.
Attaboy. Dude, that was sick. I am gonna get a hook in me. Holy shnikey.
We are tearing them up.
I just know this joker's gonna start. Oh, hey, look at that. I got my pliers out. He's trying to eat it still. He said, quit trying to take my food from me.
I'm not a smart fish.
Like I was saying though, we say that's a big fish.
Big smallie right in front of me.
See, just like James is saying right now. We're not necessarily talking about in general. We're talking about for Lee Creek and Natural Dam. That's a pretty good smallmouth. You don't catch a ton there like huge here. We've seen a 3-pounder pulled out. We've seen some big ones in the water. So when you catch one that's bigger than average, you gotta celebrate a little bit, all right? Plus, it's exciting to catch fish. We do this for fun, y'all.
I just landed, Jake.
Oh my gosh, me too. Look at this. Oh, another decent one.
Touch the boat, that counts.
Oh my gosh, he's fighting good.
That counted.
He's pulling drag. Oh, he came off. I loosened the drag too much. Dang it, dude, that was a good fish. Cooper needs to come down here and get one of these. Where is Cooper?
I don't know what he's doing. Cooper! Come on!
He must have found something cool like an Indian sex stone.
Effing rock.
That's right. Dang, I can't believe that guy came off. I was trying to loosen the drag, get a better fight out of him. Instead, I let him go. Yeah, this is the first spot we really started catching them last time. I wanted to stay here longer, but it was like, wow, we need to keep going. There you go, James, right there at the boat. I saw that. That was awesome.
Oh my gosh.
He's fighting good. There you go. Don't break your rod tip.
That's a largie.
Is it? That's a smallmouth.
Is it?
Yeah.
That mouth is a
Look.
lot bigger than the other ones.
It's the color. Oh. Oh, I pulled it away from him.
That's a good set. That's a chunk.
I pulled it away from 3 fish right then.
I'll hold this one up for you.
Yeah, she's chunky. Little football. That's a Nerf football right there, ladies and gentlemen.
Are you filming already?
Maybe.
Huh?
Maybe. You jumping? Or y'all gonna jump together?
Huh?
Are y'all jumping together?
Oh, I'll go again. I don't want to jump together. You do? I don't now. Oh.
Oh.
Subaru! Hey, Coop.
Do you have a hat on?
Yeah, you had a hat on?
Oh.
It's pretty dang deep down here.
You can see his butt crack.
What up, weekend? Oh, it's cold. Carrie, you gonna do it?
No, I'm dry-ish.
Don't fall in yet. There's a pointy stick behind you, and that would not feel good.
Look at his legs.
Dude. Got the Neapolitan ice cream missing the chocolate going on. Careful.
Pick your shorts off in a second. When you get on flat ground.
James says, I would land on me. You're doing great, Coop.
Hey, pull your shorts up. I want to see that line.
Oh! Hey, pull your shirt apart at your chest. Oh, it's not as bad as I thought. All right, you going for it?
It's got a lot higher whenever I got up here.
You got it.
Just a leap of faith. All right.
That wasn't much of a cannonball, but you all right?
So what?
You good?
Yeah, my whole butt touched the bottom.
Did you have a hat on?
No, I had my hat off.
Okay.
That's so much fun.
You're my best friend.